Hello there folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, a place where I discuss different topics about spirituality in general, dream interpretation and other topics like sociology. But this time I want to actually present you a video on a topic, and that is the new RPG Maker that was released, that of RPG Maker MZ, which has very similar properties to RPG Maker MV. Since I'm working at two projects, I was thinking of porting my old project in here because it's somewhat less plugin heavy, and well, I still require the detection plugin back in here, and I've downloaded the MZ demo version and I tested it. Some of the plugins actually work on MZ because many situations it's most likely the same. I didn't look at the I didn't look at let's call it journey through consciousness. Okay, I didn't actually look at the documentation to see whether it's similar or not. It's definitely gonna have a few things. Okay, let's actually see desktop files now. In here we're gonna create in games in here, and in here we're gonna create here no, actually it has the yes, select folder, journey through consciousness. Okay, and in order to port my project from MV to MZ, which is very possible, but there is a little problem. You have to remake a lot of things, and I don't know if you actually have to do like literally all the switches names, for example, because I didn't get to test too much of that. Okay, but now that we have created our project, let's actually add the new feature that I've seen, for example, is when you go to events, you actually see your list of events in here. Like if I create an what the fuck is this? You see, every time you create a new event, you'll actually find them in here. I think you can actually delete them from here. Wait, you can't delete them from here? Ah, okay. So let's see. Okay. It has the same buttons: character generator, resource manager, event searcher. I don't think we actually had an event searcher in here. Oh yes, we actually had an event searcher. Yes, technically it's kind of the same. Sound testing, yes, plugin managers, databases. Alright, now the main problem that we will face when it comes to this, to porting our project, will be that there are different extensions. Okay, so let's actually go to games. Okay, MZ. So now our project, which is in here, has okay, this one has the extension RRMZ project. This one actually has the extension wherever it is. It has the the RRMZ. This one has RM. Nah, just forget it. Okay. Oh yes, RPG project. Okay, so the problem is you cannot do file open projects and load that. But first, what I really want to do is control switches, change maximum, because my project uses all 5000 slots. Okay, I really don't care about that too much. Control variables. Okay, change maximum. Let's see, can we actually have more than that? Oh, okay, 5000. Still 5000 the limit. Okay, it's never enough for me though. Alright, so really now, why the fuck is it so big? Okay, console, it's the same, F9, and change maximum I'm gonna add to 100. Okay, these characters, these 8 characters I'm gonna put in here at the end, because I'm gonna have to create my own characters in here. Animations, oh fuck, I actually have to add my own animations in here. I'll have to figure out how to do it if it's the same thing. Oh, you have rotation, scale, play, change target, oh, okay, hit physical, well, at least they look flashier, like I can say they look much flashier. Ooh, flashy. Okay, so let's see what else we need. Okay, common events, let's say 5,000, although if I remember correctly it's 1,000. Oh, 2,000. Okay, items change, really, these I think they are only 1,000. Oh, 2,000, really? More than that? Nope, still 5,000. Still 2,000. Completely restores HP. Remove state dead. Wait, what? They actually changed state? Oh, they actually changed it from what was it? Knockout into dead. Okay. Paralysis. Evasion rate. Okay. Counter attack. Okay, these are gonna be replaced anyways, because I really won't be bothering too much. Tile sets, let's say 100. Common events I said. Wait, what? System 1 and System 2? Yeah, okay. There seems to be some extra customization in here. Death by sleep damage. Floor damage, but I don't think I can. It doesn't matter. Experience. Okay, now let's see System 2. I really don't care too much about these terms. Okay. Always dash. This is something I have to change, especially in my demo that I'm building right now. Okay, at least it's moving much faster than my current project, because you know, like okay, the players files are deleted. Okay, good. So now in order to port our project, we will need to copy these files: data, fonts, icon, image, JavaScript, maps, movies. Yes. Save, I really don't need that. Okay, let's actually move these. Let's actually move these in here. And let's overwrite it. It will actually take a while. And we have to take into account the images, you know, everything now that's gonna be put in here. I don't know exactly. Oh wait, actually let's yes, of course I want to save the changes for now. When we're gonna port the maps, that's gonna be a bit tricky, but since this one is empty, that's where the tricky part will be. Okay, playtest. Well, at least the song is a bit, you know, it's a bit nicer. Wait, what? Oh, cool, we actually have formation. Swordsman. Everyone's a swordsman nowadays. Oh my god, this one sounds so loud. Okay, so let's play with the console until this one actually finishes. Let's see. Wait, what? Parse source map. Pixie.js map. I really don't care that much. Okay, so it's still F9 for the okay, it does have different animations. Okay, so let's see. Let's try some scripts and see if it's gonna work. Let's see. Game switches dot set value. I don't know. 1. Let's make it true. Wait, what? Switch ID value. Oh, it seems to be kind of the same. Let's actually see. Switches. Okay, 1 is on. Good. Game variables. Game variables dot set value 1. I don't know, 2. Let's actually make game variables 5000. Let's make it 2 because it's gonna be you know, it's gonna be easier. Really now? Wait, what? Ah, okay, that's what I was looking. Okay, 5000. Cool. Let's actually go for some more intricate ones. Okay, like let's say game array 8, game actors. All right, game actors dot let's say actor 1. Wait, actor. Well, at least it's a bit more helpful. Oh, and it actually param plus array 8. Okay. Oh, it actually gives you the details. Okay. Dot let's say let's add state 2. I don't know, it should be visible or something. Well, we don't see it in there, but actor 1, wait, actor 1 is state addable. State restrict. Okay, I didn't know about state restrict. Is state affected by, let's say, state 2. Oh, it already pre-visualizes the result. Wait, what? With the same names. Skip these files because they're the same names, I guess. Alright, so apparently it actually works. Let's say something a bit more complex maybe. Game player dot reserve. Oh, it actually recognizes. Okay, reserve transfer. I don't know, let's say 5. Oh, it actually gives you the parameters. Okay, map ID. So map ID will be 1. We're gonna go, let's say 5 to 5. Direction will be, let's say 2. And fade type, if I remember correctly, let's say 0. Well, it did happen, even if we don't see, even if we didn't see the movement. So I'm guessing it's kind of the well, I'm guessing these are very extremely really similar. So let's actually close this and see how we can actually port our maps. Okay, now we took these and we also need did I put the save button? The save. All right. Let's actually take all of these because I need these all. Okay, and let's put them in here. It's not gonna take too much. Let's actually put these. Probably is gonna help me more. Okay, so now that we have MZ in here, okay, it ain't actually asking me if I want to commit to any change. Okay, so now it's time to open a project, and let's try to open this new project. Actually, let's close this. Yeah, I know it's kind of a mess on my desktop, but I'm planning to reinstall my Windows sometime. Okay, so now that we've started MZ, okay, so MZ, let's open a project. Let's open, we also have a new file called CSS. There was this huge plugin for MV called Luna, which was around $60 if I remember correctly, and you could use it to customize your user interface as much as you wanted. But again, the only point about that was wait, let's see, you needed to learn CSS quite well because all of that was CSS, so there was no helper in that. You would just find yourself having spent $60 and no one would actually help you because you only had to do that. Okay, let's see, characters. Where was that actually? Maps? No, I don't need those are some other stuff. Okay, so now that I need I will need to take from here maps. Let's actually see how this works. If I delete this one, map 2 still remains. If I remember correctly, I have to create a map. Is there a new... Which button is actually return? Because I've never actually okay, let's actually go new. New. Now the reason why we need to do this, from what I remember, is that okay, I really don't care that much. We need to have at least the same amount of maps, if I remember correctly. Okay, let's actually add newer maps because I really don't care that much. Okay, and the last map that I need would be ID 50, so it means I actually need to do 50 of these maps. At least I'm happy that the scripts are very similar. Well, actually, let's put map 28. Okay, so map 28 is gonna be this. Okay, now I'm gonna need Alright, how did we actually do this? Okay, so from the demo I need to actually be very careful so that I don't overwrite any of the maps, but hopefully, well, actually this is a copy of my project, so I already have it somewhere else and I already have it saved on my laptop as well. But just be careful when you do this, make a copy of it so that you don't screw your maps, because this situation is kind of the best way to do, or one of the best ways to do. So we go in here, we look for map 28. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and paste this, and this map I'm gonna copy. Okay, let's see, first of all we need to save. Okay, we need to save this because we have created enough maps. Now in MZ I'm gonna delete this 28 map, and I'm gonna add this one, which will result in my renaming it as map 28. Okay, no, I don't want to reload because, okay, let's see, now we're gonna need to go in here again, else if it doesn't work I need to see oh wait, it actually worked. Okay, I actually have the map. Good. Now the reason why you don't see anything is, well, the same reason that you won't actually see anything. It's because one has to do the tile set animations again, and you know, it's like, it's not like you can actually copy them from like here in there. Okay, like, you know, copy this one and put it in here, right? Like, wait, what was it? Was it 9? Okay, so we're gonna call this present day. Okay, and what I'm actually gonna need is okay, so we have FSM forest. Okay, wait a minute. Alright, let's actually see how we do this. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my laptop real quick so that I can actually see the things that I need. Okay, so that I can see them in there, and you know, it's gonna be much easier. So now let's see, in here, as you can see, we also have all the tile sets that I have, the ones that I created, well, modified, and the original ones. Okay, let's actually start my little MV on the laptop because I've got an SSD, so it's gonna run very fast. Okay, so now we have SFM forest, if I called it correctly, right? And FSM forest 01A1 01. Okay, 01A1. Good. Now this stupid Steam has this habit of really now automatically streaming stuff, so this doesn't seem to be helping me that much. However, let's see if I can actually okay, Okay, now Steam is downloading something in here, and I'm gonna put this one to okay. Now that I started this one in offline mode, I can actually start this one. Now I'm gonna hit apply and OK. Let's actually not start MV because I'm gonna open it on my laptop. And now we have F9. Hopefully they will release Sakan for this version as well, but well, I'm okay with using it on MV because I'm not gonna ditch MV. I'm gonna finish my old project on MV. But let's actually see tile sets, and now we have present day. Okay, so now we have outside. Here we have outside A2. This one. It will look a bit different because yeah, they have the same tileset names, but they actually improved their graphics, which is they're a bit shinier. So we have sci-fi outside A3. Okay, now with A4 we have sci-fi outside A4. Let's actually copy this one. Find. Okay, and here we have A5. Okay, now for the B page we have sci-fi. Okay, so for B we have this one as well. Wait, what? We have this one again. Okay, for C we have SCT tile C exterior. For tile D, sci-fi outside B. Is it this? Because I don't remember it looking like this. Now, okay, the except it looked kind of the same, but yeah, the bus is different, and the shop here is actually different. It didn't have this rip in here. I might actually have to override the old ones with these. Yeah, okay. And for E, we have this one actually. Okay, so let's actually hit apply and okay, and guess what, the map looks, well, almost the same. It looks almost the same. Well, they actually ruined my bridge. Okay, it took so long to actually create that. Alright, so let's actually see, can I actually oh my god, these things actually look awful, like these things actually look a bit awful, like alright, let's actually save this. Oh my god, it's so fast. Like, yeah, I remember my game loading so fast when it was much smaller. Now it takes around almost 10 seconds if it doesn't crash. Alright, so let's actually go to our demo. And let's actually think about this. Okay, so we had those images, and we have the tile sets from here that I want to copy, and I want to put these into the image and tile sets in here. Because I think some of these weren't correctly replaced. Nope. Why? Okay. So let's actually go back to MZ and see if we actually did a change. Oh yes, we actually did a change, because finally I can see roads. Oh wait. Yeah, this was my old traffic light system that would show the colors. If I don't call it wrong, it should still be working. Now I don't. Oh wait, what? Wait, what? It's actually working? Okay. Let's actually dive into it and see if it works. Now, yeah, the intro picture won't be the same that I have for the other projects, so it's not much of a problem. Let's actually save the changes to the game. Oh my god, it actually loads so fast. It's like mine takes 20 seconds or so. And I'm guessing some plugin is missing, or I really don't understand what exactly the problem is. Oh yes, and the problem is you'll have to put all your switches back. I think all the names of your switches have to be placed back. That kind of sucks, but you can still remember them by the numbers, I guess. Alright, let's see this. So we have kind of the same thing. Change equipment, change name, class, nickname, profile. They look a bit different, but they're basically the same way. It's game progression. There's 4 in here. If I remember correctly, there weren't there 5 in there. You have control self switch, control timer. Let me actually check real fast and see. Oh yes, it worked. It's still 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Kind of the same. They're kind of the same buttons if I look. Like, at a closer glance, it's kind of the same. Okay, like weather effect, still the same 3. Okay, so I don't know if they actually added too much. They did say, however, they added the new feature of when we add stuff. Okay, let's I don't know, let's add some stuff in here. What was this actually? Oh, rectangle. Oh, okay. Good, let's see. So, what was that option? Oh, okay, layers. Okay. 4 layers? Wait, what? Let me guess. If I pick layer 1, okay, it's let's actually put this in here. If I pick layer 2 and I pick this one and put it in here. If I pick layer 3, oh, okay, let's actually put this pole. layer 4. I don't know, can I put something more? Okay, automatic. Okay, so the water actually disappeared. I think this could actually serve pretty much a lot when it comes to bridges, you know, moving below these. And not only do you have to recreate the map, the tile sets actually, but you also have to go back and, you know, reselect all of these, you know, and put them exactly as they were. So it would be best if you actually have two computers or a laptop, and you know, you can put them side by side and see, okay, I have to do this, I have to do that. Other than that, I think it can actually work pretty nice, but oh wait, I think it doesn't work mainly because we don't have characters. Okay, so I don't know, let's say Xandara. Okay, or wait, actually it's Nora the Pure was the first character. Okay, let's say Nora. Okay, let's actually put this one character. Okay, we have, wait, why am I even bothering? Like, okay, actually let's create the characters themselves, and I have Dora. Okay, I have this character. Okay, nope, next one. Okay, yep, and let's also add Dora. Find next. Okay, close. We also have Miyumi, the second character. We have Ayano, and we have Sensui, and we have Chidori. These are the 5 playable characters. Oh, so this is the default one. Okay, let's actually go to, where was that? Oh, classes, change maximum, let's say 100. Student, although I have several classes like student, and well, they're technically gonna serve the idea of you know, sanity, something like that, because I'm gonna have something like that, something like sanity. All right, okay, let's add, let that be the default one, and the side view one would be, okay, let's go for Ayano. Ayano is gonna be, really now? Okay, so oh wait, I didn't call her Ayano actually. Yes, I know, call her by her nickname. Okay, let's actually go for this. Let's say Violet. Okay, I've been seeing this point in which it doesn't load that, or probably I'm faster than it. Okay, so we have Sensui. Okay, Sensui. Really now? Oh, really now? I still didn't change the old name, Susuke Yamaguchi, really? Okay, let's actually load this again. Okay. Wait, what? Well, honestly, I don't care about the battler because this is a, you know, like a visual novel. It's not gonna care at all about battlers. So we have Chidori. Okay, the all sunshine and happiness. Chidori. Okay, close. Okay, so we have apply. Okay, let's save the changes to the game and see. Really now? Well, I'm guessing there are a lot of things that still have to be applied. It's probably not finding some sort of sound. And oh wait, actually the cars, this didn't look like this. This was a red one. Like, I always recognize one when I see. And I also recognize that I have to change the directions of movement, because in Japan the cars move in the opposite directions. They move just like the British. So all I can say is yes, you can definitely move your project from from MV into MZ, following the steps that I've provided. Now some of your tile sets will definitely look different, yes, because you have to literally copy paste each and everything. If you've had a big project, I wouldn't advise for now to move on to MZ. I was just doing this as a little, you know, as a little test. I think I will stick to MV for now, because there's too much work in this. And there's also the point that, for example, Visustela has been creating a lot of plugins, and I congratulate her on this, or him, I don't know, but judging by the name it sounds like a female's name. So yeah, the point is there will be a lot of plugins, but there will be some fixes, I guess. There will be different points. I don't feel disappointed about having bought this. But yeah, come again, my project is very complex, so I won't have the time to literally fix everything in here. As of what I've been testing, everything seems to be working quite cool. Like so many of the scripts actually go very well. Now this is a replica of the university that's gonna be in the game, just like a little teaser. It's the Shizuoka University of Art and Culture. Well as I could reproduce it when it comes to a Google Maps replication. Like, you know, yes, I know this this roof ain't like this, right? It's wavy, but I can't arrange the waviness without creating some tile sets of my own. and well, at least not for now. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to my own projects for now, but in MV. MZ is gonna definitely be something good. I really like the idea of layers. They're actually awesome. They can actually really help me with something that I'm working on, but well, until then I actually have to find out why my project ain't working. So all this being said, take care, enjoy life, stay well, you are loved and appreciated. Rearrange on board signing out.